Imagine this. You wake up on a Saturday morning. No alarm clock. No traffic noise. Just sunlight streaming through a big window. You roll out of bed, walk 10 steps, and pour yourself a coffee. Then you look out at the mountains. Or the beach. Or a quiet lake. Now imagine this, you don't have to leave that place to shower. You don't have to wait for a bathroom. And neither does your partner or your kids. Because you have 2 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Right there with you. On the road. Sounds like an apartment, right? No! It's better. Because this apartment moves. Today, we're stepping inside the brand new 2026 Crossroads Zinger 390DB. 2 bedrooms. 2 baths. And a layout that will make you question why you ever paid rent. Stick around. Because by the end of this tour, you're going to want to sell your couch. Music builds slightly, then fades into background. Let's start outside. The 2026 Zinger 390DB is a 5th wheel. That means it's big. You're gonna need a truck. But don't let the size scare you. Crossroads engineered this thing to be surprisingly easy to tow. The exterior is sleek. Modern. Dark graphics with silver accents. It doesn't scream RV park grandma. It says road trip professional. Look at the front cap, aerodynamic, LED lights, a diamond plate stone guard. Underneath, you've got a fully enclosed, heated underbelly. That means you can camp in colder weather without freezing your pipes. Now walk around the side. You'll notice 2 huge pass-through storage compartments. One on the driver's side. One on the passenger side. We're talking room for chairs, grills, fishing rods, even a small inflatable kayak. And here's the clever part, the main entry door is mid-coach. Why does that matter? Because when you walk in, you don't step into the living room. You step into a hallway. That hallway leads to both bedrooms. Privacy? You got it! But wait, there's also a second door. A private entrance to the front bedroom. So if you wake up early, you can sneak out without waking the kids. This isn't just a camper. This is a mobile home that respects your space. Theater seats with heat and massage on one side, tri-fold sofa on the other, brushed nickel handles, soft evening light. Let's go inside. I want you to open that main door and just breathe for a second. You walk into the living room, and it doesn't feel like an RV. It feels like a small luxury apartment. We've got a tri-fold sofa on one side, that's a sleeper. On the other side, 2 power theater seats with heat and massage. Yes, massage. In a camper. Above the sofa, you've got overhead storage with brushed nickel handles. And the ceiling? It's tall. Like 6 foot 8 inches tall. You won't hit your head unless you're a basketball player. Now turn around. The kitchen. This is where the Zinger 390DB shows off. You get a massive farmhouse sink. Deep. Metal. You can wash a full pot without splashing everywhere. Next to it, a high-rise pull-down faucet. Then a 3-burner cooktop with an oven underneath. Above that, a stainless steel microwave. And check out the refrigerator. 12-volt, 10 cubic feet. No propane needed. It stays cold while you drive. You can leave for 6 hours, and your milk is still fresh. Counter space? You've got a flip-up extension on the island. Plus solid surface counters that look like marble. There's even a pantry slide out. Not a cabinet, a full pantry. Canned goods, pasta, snacks. Organized. I'm gonna say something bold. This kitchen is better than most studio apartment kitchens. And you can park it next to a river. Now let's talk about the bedrooms. Because this is where the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths promise really hits home. First, the front master bedroom. This is behind that private door I mentioned. You walk in, and there's a real residential queen bed. Not a short queen. A standard 60 by 80 mattress. You can bring your sheets from home. On both sides of the bed, you have nightstands with USB ports and wireless charging. No more fighting over the one outlet. Above the bed, there's a large picture window with blackout shades. When you close those, it's dark. Like movie theater dark. Storage. 2 wardrobes. One on each side. And below the bed, there's a slide-out storage tray. That's for bulky stuff like blankets or boots. Now the best part, the ensuite bathroom. Walk past the bed, and there's a sliding barn door. Open that, and you get a private toilet, a vanity with sink, and a 36-inch walk-in shower. Glass door. Residential shower head. And yes, a skylight so you can shower under natural light. This isn't camping. This is glamping with a capital G. Now let's walk to the opposite end of the motorhome. Because the second bedroom is in the rear. And it's not a bunkhouse. It's a real bedroom. You get another queen bed. Again, residential size. Again, nightstands with USB ports. Again, a wardrobe and overhead storage. But here's what makes this special, it has its own second bathroom. Right there. No walking through the living room at 2 in the morning. The second bathroom has a toilet, sink, and a tub shower combo. Perfect for kids or guests. Or even for a live-in parent. Imagine grandma traveling with you. She has her own bedroom, her own bathroom, her own privacy. This layout is rare. Most RVs give you a bunk bed and a wet bath. Crossroads gave you a real suite. And between the 2 bedrooms? That hallway I mentioned. It has a pocket door on both ends. You can close off the rear bedroom completely. Or leave it open. You control the flow. Honestly, this is better than some 2-bedroom apartments I've seen in New York or San Francisco. And those don't have wheels. So why choose the 2026 Zinger 390DB over something else? Let me give you 3 reasons. Number 1, true privacy. Most 2-bedroom RVs just have a curtain or a thin wall. Here, you have solid doors, separate entrances, and separate bathrooms. You could have a couple in the front, kids or friends in the back, and nobody bothers anybody. Number 2, apartment-grade storage. We counted 12 cabinets, 3 wardrobes, 2 pantries, and the pass-through storage. You can live full-time in this thing. Seriously. Number 3, price to value. The Zinger is Crossroads' mid-tier brand. It's not entry-level, but it's also not luxury priced. The 390DB starts around $65,000 to $70,000 new. A 2-bedroom apartment in most cities costs that in rent every 2 years. This you own. And you can move it. Plus, you get a 1-year limited warranty and a structure warranty for longer. Not bad for a house on wheels. Here's where I want to hear from you. Would you use the front bedroom or the rear bedroom? Comment below. Seriously. I'm curious. Some people want the master suite. Others want the rear for more morning light. And while you're typing, picture this again. Sunday morning. You make breakfast in that farmhouse sink kitchen. Your partner is still asleep in the front bedroom. Your kids are watching cartoons in the rear bedroom. Nobody is fighting over the bathroom. You open the awning, sit in your massage chair, and just exist. That's not just camping. That's freedom. This motorhome doesn't just take you places. It gives you space to breathe when you get there. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Crossroads RV Zinger 390DB isn't the biggest fifth wheel out there. But it might be the smartest. 2 real bedrooms. 2 real bathrooms. A kitchen that works. And a layout that respects your family's sanity. If you're tired of fighting for the bathroom in a tiny travel trailer, or tired of paying rent for a place you never see, this is your upgrade. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more deep dives on RVs that feel like homes. And me? I'm going to go find a campsite with a view. Because now I know exactly which bedroom I'm sleeping in. See you on the road!